credit repair business owners, here's some expert advice if you want better quality credit repair leads. Number one is to actually define what quality credit repair leads means to you. A lot of companies think that a quality credit repair lead is someone that gives you their information and they're ready to go. That's not a quality credit repair lead. That's a unicorn, because nobody that doesn't know you and need their credit repaired is going to just answer the phone and be like, here's my money. That's called magic. That's not a quality credit repair lead. That's not a lead. That's a unicorn. That's just not going to happen to you unless you're dealing with referrals or you have a big enough brand and they know you, like you, and trust you already. But if you're an average Joe credit repair company, stop expecting for your lead to answer the phone and to hand you some money, because that's never going to happen. What a quality lead is someone that has the financial resources to afford your services. They showed intent, meaning that they filled out some type of qualification. They booked an appointment. They raised their hand and said, I'm interested in getting my credit repaired. That's a quality lead, okay? That's what you should be expecting. Now, a lead is someone that don't know who the hell you are. They're broke and they think it's going to be free to get their credit fixed. That's a lead. So now I gave y'all a perfect example from a unicorn, quality leads, and shitty leads.